on, guys? My name is Taylor here. Today we're going to be looking at my bike that I have. Well, it's a bike check, I guess you could say. It's a framed fx1 right here. fx1. Nice BMX bike, I think. Really. What else was? It's got some nice rims, as you can see here. They're not. I think they're steel rims. I'm not sure, but I don't know. We have the framed fx1 thing, frame sticker right there. Overall, personally, I like it. It's like not as good as the We the People or like Sunday bikes or Verde bikes or any of those, famous top brand companies. But, it was worth the price. I didn't really have, $300 to get me. I was going to get a We the People arcade, the new one, like the silver and blue, that one, but I've been starting to pick cherries for the summer, so yeah. Also, it has like these mushroom grips, they call it mushroom grips, and then you got bar ends right there. But like, look how it even sounds. Like, it sounds really good. Like, I don't know how it's really that good, because like those type of bikes that have like that good quality sound, like that's what you want to hear in a bike. So that was my check for the new 2014 framed fx1. You can go check it out on eBay right now. So